Hello.
Smiler I begge to.
Okay. First comments.
Yeah. And all for the sake of the debate that rapidly and how desperate do people people were for an explanation. Any explanation.
Yeah, you had a quite good answer for that.
Yeah, in Danish I had one. Well, it's Tom not complaining, but saying that
Well-
the debate on television doesn't really matter because it always end up with blaming the video games, the violent video games, and the audience kind of buys it. Kan man sige det på engelsk? Because they don't need a good explanation. They don't need to have a good reason.
They just need any explanation, right?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, and it's because he's on the television show that he doesn't really feel that they changed anything by being on the show.
At least not on camera.
Yeah, because they just blame the video games
Yes.
all the time.
All the time.
Hello. Disturb children, torture animals.
Okay.
What do we have to say about that? Well, Tom doesn't think that Danny is evil or disturbed. We know Danny didn't do it to be sadistic. So Tom doesn't think that Danny is sadistically evil.
Do you think people can be evil?
It seems that Tom thinks that you have to have dedicated your entire life to be a performer of evil actions, to be classified as evil.
Yeah.
As Sille said, Breivik from Norway is a pretty evil guy according to Tom, because he spent his maybe not entire life, but most of his life making this manifest that states why it's a good idea to slaughter people on an island in Norway. He was giving Danny lots of room. The situation seems very tense, and he doesn't want to make any sudden movements. Just like when approaching a wild animal. Tom doesn't want to intrude. His actions show that he still thinks that Danny is dangerous.